cars, they're more than just steel and wheels. They're carefully crafted masterpieces, each part playing a crucial role. When auto body repair becomes a necessity, it's paramount to order the right parts. Imagine a symphony where one instrument is off-key. Just like that, a wrong car part can disrupt the harmony, affecting performance and safety. At Miracle Body and Paint in San Antonio, Texas, we understand this better than anyone. We ensure that every replacement part matches your vehicle's specifications. Why? Because incorrect parts can lead to complications. You may face issues with alignment, fitting, and even legal compliance. Moreover, the incorrect parts may not offer the same durability or safety features as the original. This could lead to more frequent repairs, risking your safety and hitting your pocket hard. So, when dealing with auto body repair, always ensure the right parts are ordered. It's not just about making your vehicle look good, but ensuring it performs at its peak, keeping you safe on the road. Remember, your car deserves the best. And that's what we at Miracle Body and Paint in San Antonio, Texas strive to provide. Because when it comes to your vehicle, every part counts.